Holy, I just saw something very crazy in my local 7-Eleven. 2 Takis for $1,000. This is daylight robbery, except it's not daylight anymore. We get 10-second delay? Yeah, 10 seconds. We'll go 10 seconds. Yeah. That is not terrible. That seems actively kind of good. Ow. Settings. Let me copy the thing. See if I can copy the thing. That'd be really bad if I couldn't. Copy this. It's the thumbnail from last time because I was too lazy to change it and we're working on immersion. It really doesn't matter. Nothing matters. Hello. Hello, Mr. Tactical Corn. And the number that you somehow prophesied. How are you? I'm gonna close Discord here and then I'll keep it on my phone. That seems logical to me. It's James. We'll keep it powered off. Keep it right here. So, working on my immersion. Look, it's the guy that almost canceled the stream. Hello, everyone. Hi, how are you? Okay, let me go through my notes. Because he said, I guess we could skip over that and then we'll ask about that later. That seems like the tactical option to me. So I'm gonna pull up the thing and then yeah. Let me pull up immersion part 1 into the code on Turbo Warp. No, I have these all downloaded, don't I? Hold on, let me check before I download a second. I do. I'm like so smart. I'm so smart. I don't know that I want to pull it up on the computer. Okay, here's what I'll do. Okay, here's what I'll do. I open up a new window. Yes, yes. You guys won't see that window because this window is boring. Version part 1 into the code. Open. Ba ba ba. Hopefully you don't see that. Phew. Ow. Okay. Let's what's ground 2? Unless, oh my goodness. Oh, this is all just the obstacles. Okay. Okay, good to know. Okay, so this was just the hat. I'm employing all the knowledge I learned from the island, is what I would say if I learned anything from the island. But not that island. I got, for context, the island platformer. Nailed it. Panthers, penguins, or no. That's in the next chapter. Okay, good to know. Do we want to use that, or do we want to make a new one. I guess we could. That could be kind of cool if we made a new one in like a cohesive art. No, it's the spirit of the thing. So we'll use this and then maybe think about using, okay, I got it. I got this. Fuck. Okay, yeah, okay. Switch window. And then we grab Les Savana. Not upload. Whoa, upload. Okay, Savannah. I don't know. Is my mic okay? I don't know. I really just have no idea. What exactly is going on here? Programming immersion, like another one. Because here's the plan. Thank you. This is a plan. Immersion is cool, but I think it's kind of hard to get into the Immersiverse with it as like the baggage as it is right now. So my plan is to kind of like condense it all into one game, cut down on some of the fluff levels, and then just have it all in like one project so people aren't as daunted trying to get into the Immersiverse, right? JSON limit, what is that? I don't know what that is. Oh, yeah. That's pretty much the whole of what's going on. No, don't open OBS. Yeah, like Scratchland DX. 5 megabytes. I don't know how big the island was. I'm not gonna lie to you. I don't know how big the island was. I assume it's under 5 megabytes because it ended up on Scratch, but I don't know. People apparently have played it on Scratch theoretically, but you never know. You never can tell. Copy. Spray one. Paste. Okay. Okay, we'll go with this. We'll go with this. Could we get away with that? Where's the halfway mark on the screen? Copy delete. Right there? What say we? As interesting as that sounds, could I be doing other things that could be more beneficial to the Immersiverse as a whole? I think this is pretty beneficial. As opposed to working on Infamous. I could be doing that, but here, compare the benefits between the two, right? Like I could work on Immersion, like this Immersion DX. Does Hunted have any knowledge of this? I don't know, it's been kind of hard to, he hasn't shown up anywhere. I shot him a DM just like check in on him, but like I don't want to be the one to bombard him with like business. Imagine doing that. That'd be kind of weird, wouldn't it? Imagine he shows up after 2 years and you're like, yo, Immersiver stuff, and it's like he wasn't. Yeah, I don't want to be that guy personally. Find your JSON by cloning your project. In the renaming, turn it into a zip file. From there, open it and search for the JSON file. Fascinating. But back to the point. Just try one last time. Alright, I guess I could. How to pull up the phone then? I didn't play Immersion until after watching Unfamous. Same. It's just nice to have. Do have a drop back then because I do need a new phone wallpaper. I have been meaning to, what's it called, get some Infamous stuff done. So I guess I could convert like a frame. It's like a thing. Does he interact with you guys? He's made a cameo in the Scratchcraft server, then a cameo in the Head server. Did someone shoot him an invite to the community server? I'm not sure. Keep the collision as basic boxes and then do fancier stuff where your level are. Yeah, I think that's what I did with the island. Yeah, that's what I did with the island. I had like the collision, the like actual like level boxes, and then I had art on top of it. I'm pretty sure that's what I did. Yeah. Yeah, I remember because that was giving me such a headache because I was like, oh man, all this stuff is not aligning. And nailed it. Your collision sprite also looks a bit jank. Yeah, probably because I don't think I made a collision sprite because it was just a box, right? So I was like, oh man, it works on its own collision. Collision sprite? Yeah. I think, oh, for level collisions, I would go back and look at the island collisions, but that would require opening up the island, which crashes my computer because I programmed it to do that, unless you hit the pause menu. If you hit the pause button, I designed it so that if you try to look inside the project, it will crash. If you pause it on Turbo Warp and then look inside, then it works. Why do you have it open? Why do you have... What happens if I... Okay. Push it back. What's the lowest I can put it? Like here. Here. That's the lowest I can put without looking weird. Why wouldn't I have it open? I'm not sure. I don't know what you would have open. Scratchland, maybe? Do that. This. Oh man, shading. Okay, here we go. First challenge of the day. There we go. Makes it a bit better. This side, right there. This side, right here. Right, and then it looks funky over here because I'm sure something's blocking it. Some kind of palette change. Yep, because it's not nearly that dramatic. Okay, I got it. I got this. Right about here, maybe. And then copy. Paste. Nope. Right there. What? Fascinating. This area here, that's the issue. Right, okay. Stay. Don't move. Thanks. Yep, okay. Nothing yet. Can I push it to here? That's the minimum it would have to be. That takes up like the whole level space though. It takes up like a solid, at least, that's like a third. That's maybe even 2/5. Let me see the levels planned here. Narrow cliff level design. How's that look? Let me pull it up. Kirby, let me see if I remember. Kirby's Return to Dreamland. Oh, like this. Kind of like a, hold on, let me save this image. Like a, oh, in DMs, okay. Like something that pairs with the background. It's like in the foreground. Between platform color and background, that's kind of the point. Oh, you're right, but then it's kind of hard for the player. You're so right. This is why I stream. Oh God, please be something. Let me, yeah, okay, that is safe. Phew. Like this, kind of like a thing. Like it would match the foreground. Like it's something in the foreground that you're running atop. And it's not like actually part of the background. Yeah, like that, okay. I could try that. Oh, I could try that. That'd be kind of cool. Oh, then you get like a kind of 3D effect, sort of. Ah, that'd be cool, but it sounds like it'd be hard. Oh, I don't know if I'm smart enough for that. But yeah. Four and 5 images, oh wow. Fake 3D, yeah. It's just kind of, what's it called? That seems like it'd be easy though. It seems easy, but then I'm also like, it sounds kind of hard. Okay, it's kind of like this. Okay, I sort of see the vision. So it's sort of like this, right? Point. Command C, Command V. Like, we'll put like this. It's kind of like this. And then I'd need to have, I'd need to have, as the character is, okay, I need the, as the character is, look, it's him. It's our character. Nailed it. It's beautiful. Okay, so like as he's like, let's flip it. That makes me feel More aesthetically pleased. There we go. Copy, paste. Okay, so he's like running around. As he gets, okay, as he's all the way over here, the stage is gonna look like this, right? But then as he gets closer here, the stage is gonna kind of shift, right? So because the camera's sort of the stage is sort of matching the character angle perspective thing. You get what I'm saying? Like this, right? That might be, that much might be a bit too much. But it'd be cool. This is my bane on my existence. You know, it'd be cool, right? It seems complicated. Yeah, because it is. All right. The thing is, this is like a big, it's not like stage by stage, right? It's like one big scrolling platform. It's like one big scrolling sprite, and he's just like kind of at the center of it. Or am I misunderstanding? You need to use math? Oh, God. Sorry. Oh, Gobo. Oh, no. Oh, Gobo. Oh, dear. I didn't set a timer for that. No, I did. Okay, it's been 20 minutes. Kirby does move. The camera just moves with it. Yeah, so wouldn't if he moves, wouldn't the angle change? The angle of the art change then? Or does it not? A real game? No, it's just Immersion DX. Not really, I think. Okay. Okay, that makes my job significantly easier then. Camera angle stays pretty consistent. Okay. Well, I guess that makes things easier. That's an idea I want to incorporate. Though, that idea of like one big sprite and then the character's kind of in the center and you're just kind of moving along. I'd want to incorporate that somewhere. But I don't know. Maybe for like boss fights. Mayhaps. Mayhaps. A really helpful tool called a 3D modeling engine. Thing is, Scratch is 2D. It can render 3D. It just takes like 5 years to do it. You can only render like a... Wait, no. Oh, I don't know. I don't know how those things work. But it's trippy. Okay. Oh, I needed that, didn't I? Hold up. No, that's just power. Bless you. It was a cough, but thank you. Would it help, Corn, if I did this? A copy, because I want to sort of blend in, but then you're right, it will be hard for the player to tell. Okay, what if I do this, right? I do this, and then I do this. Is that a bit better? Or does it still blend in too much? Thank you. I need... Okay. Yeah, that's better. Yay! Okay. We'll run with this then. Until it stops working. What is that? Oh, that's the bush corner, isn't it? Oh, I guess it's fine then. Okay, the sketches say so. Yeah. No, listen, past no one knows what he's doing. Stage. There we go. I just really don't want to deal with naming issues later on. Group. Right there. It's like, no, I think that's the lowest I can go before it ends up, before that looks weird. I think that looks weird. It's just poking up there. I think that's good. That kind of blends in here a little bit. Maybe if I make it a bit darker. We'll give it a bit more saturation. Let's try a bit more saturation. 47. Hey, that's pretty good. Checketh DMs. I am on it. It's Kirby. Actual collision. Right. Let me scroll through the messages. Blends in, but also sticks out enough for the player. Oh, okay. Okay, I see the vision. I see the vision now. Oh, okay. Oh yeah, that'd be cool. Okay. Okay, I see the vision. I see the vision. Okay. Okay. Understood. Understood. Try to bump this up. See what that does for us. No, I want copy. If I paste it. And then compare. I guess we could have stuff hanging off the edge here. And then that could be a level art. And then the actual collision line would be like down here. Let's grab red. Red is good contrasting color. Here, so he's like walking down the middle of the path. And then this layer here, like other scoobity doobities here, could be like level art, like that, because it looks kind of like a yeah. What say you, Mr. Ray Awesome, Mr. Game Developer Ray Awesome? Exactly. Hooray! My stream is, I don't know how delayed I am because I don't want to turn my mic on and risk hearing myself. We'll quit notes. Oh, I need the charger. Come here. Oh no, and it hit the mouse. Tragedy. Okay. Here's the thing. Immersion has curved slopes, yes. But I didn't put curved slopes in the island. Because, well, if you can see for yourself, because I had like a slope. Hold on, one sec. Let me just do the thing really fast. Let's do this for all these. Just have like a collision thing. Yeah, like a collision box. Even with ghost effect, yeah. Wait a second. Okay, but not like total ghost effect, like 99 ghost effect, right? Yeah. I'm just doing this so I can figure it out as I plan levels, and then I can just copy all these red ones, then paste it into another thing. Let's do level art. . 100, really? Let me check. Let me run here. Ah, I forgot that is. Forgot how loud that is. See here. He runs up a curved slope. How does he do that? Because there's no collision in Immersion 1, but he's able to go curved slopes. That boggles my mind. And I'm pretty sure I'm using the exact same code. I could try to paste my guy in, but that seems like it'd be... I really don't know. No, I don't want to do that. Okay. James is hard carrying this right now? Yeah, because he's made the game. Bye, Corn. Oh. It says I'm not receiving enough video. That's not a good sign. Yeah, there we go. It's the first sign. It's the sign of the end. I saw the loading thing. It's so Jover. I guess it's because I have this up. And the other thing up. The collision is the same as the thing. Wait, hold on. Is it because it's the hitbox? It's the hitbox. Aha. Okay. But how is it climbing up that? Because in the island, if I try to climb up a curved slope, he basically dies. This is fascinating. I'm sure this is something I'll have to think of at another time. So long as it's still showing and not hidden, right? When touching a ghost sprite. Really? That is good to know. There's a hitbox and a collision. In Immersion? No, it's just the ground, isn't it? Yeah, looking at it. It's just the ground. There's no thing for the ground. There's two ground sprites, but that's just for the lava. And in the lava, there's no like hidden, like invisible thing made in Turbo Warp with like a super low opacity. That's like, oh, here's the ground collision. It's just the ground. It's just the ground, and then the Scratch Cat sprite has a hitbox. We'll have it all converge in the center. Yeah. Some fancy code there with the sensing. Mayhaps. Mayhaps. Oh, like it's like not actually hitting the thing. It's like one above it. So that way it's not getting caught on like a stray pixel. Oh, maybe that's it, huh? Maybe. Griff is a really good tutorial. I think I used Griff Patch's tutorial. Maybe I missed something then. I don't know. It was 2022. No one back then was. Was it 2022? There's no way. What year was the island? I needed it to go down. Go level art. The platforms are usually simple enough to not constitute both. Right. I'll have to. You know what? While I'm here, while I have you, James, might as well test it out. Oh lord. Sorry, I'll Gobo. Nailed it. Take our hitbox. I need scratch cat. Ah, there's no scratch cats. That's not allowed. What's going on here? Encoding is overloaded. Are you sure? You sure about that? I don't think so. I do not think so. Ah, scratch cat. Okay. Explore. No, create. No, close. Export. Okay. So this is our buddy. It's our fella. We'll make the top of his head to his feet. Okay. And we'll make it like about the size of his head. That seems good to me. Yeah. Okay. Copy. Duplicate. Hitbox. Cat. Okay. Griff patch. '3D ray casting. Oh dear. Oh man. It's a whole series that are like 30 minutes each. It'll do. Command N. Load. Immersive. No, not immersive immersion. Bam, 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 bam. Okay, let's grab this. I remember X velocity and whatnot. And then gravity. My, oh, hello. Wow. It's just a snowmobile in the spaceship. Whoa. Okay. Define window. Phoebe Chubby. That thing has been filling up my feed recently, man. It is crazy. Bye, James. Let me see if I can do this freeform. Okay, I think I remember at least the basics. Okay. If I clicked forever. Move. Okay. Move. Find move. GP in earlier demo, if those help at all. Thank you. I think I remember. Okay, hold on. If X and YV velocity. Yeah, rate distance over time. This is the only argument I need. If left arrow by -1. If else, repeat until. Okay. Repeat until not. Trialing and erroring it. It'll feel much more rewarding that way. is lateral motion, I think. It's repeat until -1. Left. Okay, try that. Right. Okay, now I need a way to make it. Zero. Oh, I remember. Set xv to xv times 0.8, then that'll eventually cancel itself out. We'll pull up xv. Wow. Set xv to 0. Okay. PLC class, don't fail me now. Okay. Right. I needed to. Okay. I need this to. Let me see if I remember how to do this by myself. I don't. We're pulling up immersion. Oh, okay, I see. Okay. Gotcha. Right. Okay, that's good. I think. Until we decide otherwise. Okay. Now we'll do the same thing. This side change left. Oh, that's an idea. Okay. Set. Divided by 90. Got it. Try that. Right, therein lies the rub. Is that you can speed switch really good. Coding overloaded again. I'm not even doing anything. Nothing's even happening. Yes, see? Okay. Okay, we're back. Take this jacket off. It's getting hot. Springtime. Okay. Okay. Thank you, past no one, from 10 seconds ago. You're wonderful. Debatable. You're alive, for sure. That's a thing we can agree on. I don't want to set to 0. That slingshot them, we don't want that. Put that around there, that's going to make life a bit easier. Why are you slingshotting? Right, okay. So we got this rolling. That's good. Why are you so slow? Are we good? Yep. Negative 90 divided by 90. It's negative 1. Okay, these are XV. XV divided by the absolute of XV. Right? Hmm. Not you. back on track. Oh. Why is it so gurgly, bro? What the hell? Shia, shia. Shia, shia. Alright. Is that good? Up arrow key is pressed. YV. There's something to be said about gravity. Oh, but I don't remember what it is. One sec.